Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Seafood Cookbooks is probably one of the most exciting culinary journeys you can embark on. From the delicate flavors of sushi to the hearty stews of coastal cuisines, seafood offers a world of possibilities. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, the right cookbook can unlock a treasure trove of recipes, techniques, and inspiration to elevate your seafood game. Number 5. Seafood Simple, a cookbook. Are you ready to explore the world of seafood? This cookbook is your guide to creating amazing dishes. It's filled with simple recipes that anyone can follow. Inside, you'll find clear, step-by-step instructions. It makes cooking seafood a breeze, even if you're a beginner. You'll be amazed at what you can create. This cookbook focuses on fresh ingredients and vibrant flavors. It's designed to help you create meals that are both healthy and delicious. You'll love the results. It covers a wide range of dishes, from appetizers to main courses. Whether you're looking for a quick weeknight meal or a special occasion dish, it has you covered. It's a complete seafood solution. Get ready to transform your kitchen into a seafood haven. This cookbook is your perfect companion for exploring the wonderful world of seafood. Get ready to enjoy what we like. This cookbook focuses on simplicity. It offers straightforward recipes that are easy to follow. If you are new to cooking seafood or want quick, delicious meals without fuss, you should consider this one. What people say. The recipes are well written and easy to follow. The book provides a good variety of seafood recipes. It includes helpful tips and techniques for cooking seafood. Number 4. Sushi Cookbook for Beginners, 100 Recipes. Are you a sushi lover? Do you want to learn how to make it at home? This cookbook is perfect for beginners, guiding you through every step. Inside, you'll find 100 easy-to-follow recipes. Each recipe includes clear instructions and beautiful photos, making it simple to create delicious sushi. Imagine making your favorite sushi rolls in your own kitchen. This book provides all the knowledge and techniques you need to get started. It's easier than you think. From preparing sushi rice to rolling perfect maki, this book covers all the essential techniques. You'll learn everything you need to know to impress your friends and family. Get ready to embark on a culinary adventure. This cookbook is your ultimate guide to making sushi at home. Grab your copy and start creating amazing sushi today. What we like. This book is all about sushi. It provides 100 recipes with clear, step-by-step instructions. If you are looking to master the art of sushi making at home, this is the perfect guide for you. What people say. It covered sushi recipes in an easy-to-read and understand manner. The pictures were outstanding and helped me understand what the finished product should look like. Lots of great ideas for sushi with easy-to-follow instructions. The cookbook includes everything you might want to know or make. Over soups, kinds of rice and fish, slicing the fish and in general everything. It's great and I'm sad that I bought it for a friend and not for myself. We'll definitely do that later on happy face. Number 3. Eventide, Modern Maine Seafood Shack Recipes. This cookbook takes you on a journey to the heart of Maine's seafood scene. It features a collection of recipes from a modern seafood shack, showcasing the freshest ingredients and innovative techniques. Discover how to create unforgettable clam bakes with a modern twist. The book provides detailed instructions and tips for achieving the perfect balance of flavors. You will learn how to make it at home. Explore the world of oysters with this guide. It covers everything from selecting the best oysters to preparing them in delicious and creative ways. It offers a variety of recipes. Learn the secrets to crafting the ultimate lobster roll. The book shares tips on sourcing the freshest lobster and creating the perfect balance of flavors and textures. It will guide you step by step. Beyond clam bakes and lobster rolls, this cookbook offers a diverse range of recipes. It includes a variety of dishes, ensuring there's something for every seafood lover. It is a must-have cookbook. What we like. This cookbook brings the flavors of Maine to your kitchen. It features recipes for clam bakes, lobster rolls, and more. If you like the taste of the sea and want to try modern takes on classic dishes, you should definitely check it out. What people say. Recipes are well written and easy to follow. The book offers a great variety of seafood recipes. The cookbook provides detailed instructions for various cooking techniques. Number 2. Pacific Northwest Seafood Cookbook, Salmon, Crab, Oysters, and more. This cookbook is your guide to the freshest seafood from the Pacific Northwest. It features delicious recipes for salmon, crab, oysters, and more. You'll learn how to prepare these dishes like a pro. The recipes highlight the best ingredients the region has to offer. From the ocean to your table, it brings the taste of the Pacific Northwest. It's a culinary journey you won't forget. Learn how to perfectly cook salmon with various techniques. This cookbook provides tips and tricks for grilling, baking, and pan-searing. It makes preparing this staple easy and enjoyable. Explore the world of crab with recipes for Dungeness and other varieties. It includes everything from simple crab cakes to elegant crab dishes. You will find many ways to enjoy it. Discover the art of preparing and enjoying fresh oysters. The cookbook offers recipes for raw, grilled, and baked oysters. It's a taste of the sea you can savor. This cookbook is packed with recipes for a variety of seafood. It includes everything you need to create amazing meals. It's a must-have for seafood lovers. What we like. This cookbook highlights the best of the Pacific Northwest. It features recipes for salmon, crab, oysters, and more. If you are a fan of the region's seafood or want to explore local flavors, it's a great choice. What people say. The recipes and instructions very accessible and reliably very good. This book really broke the basics of Northwest seafood down for me, and made it very approachable, while also interesting. Plus the photographs are beautiful. Great photos and easy to follow instructions. Number 1. Essential Seafood Cookbook, Classic Recipes Made Simple. Are you a seafood lover? This cookbook is perfect for you. It offers a collection of classic recipes, all made simple for you to enjoy. Inside, you'll find easy-to-follow instructions. It guides you step by step, ensuring that you can create amazing seafood dishes with confidence. This cookbook covers a wide range of recipes. From appetizers to entrees, it has everything you need to create a complete seafood meal. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, it caters to all skill levels. You'll find recipes that are both simple and satisfying. Get your copy of the Essential Seafood Cookbook today. It's your guide to creating delicious seafood dishes at home. Enjoy the flavors of the sea. What we like. This cookbook offers essential seafood recipes. It simplifies classic dishes for home cooks. If you like traditional seafood dishes and want easy-to-follow instructions, it's a great choice for you. What people say. Many options with both simple and advanced recipes, smiley face. There are so many good recipes to choose from here, I'm wrecking my brain to settle on a top 3 to try first. This is a wonderful and unpretentious cookbook filled with a wide variety of fish recipes such as salmon, tuna, tilapia, red snapper, mahi-mahi, sole, sardines, catfish, mackerel and many more. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.